train, rolling down a veggie lane. Carriages painted red and green, the freshest sight you've ever seen. The engine's made of broccoli, steaming clouds so cheerfully. A pumpkin whistles loud and clear, all aboard, the train is here. Carrots sit in carriage 1, crunchy sticks of orange fun. Tomatoes bounce in carriage 2, shiny, round, and juicy too. Peas are giggling carriage 3, rolling, tumbling happily. In carriage 4, some corn waves bright, golden kernels shining light. Spinach leaves all dance and sway, waving passengers on their way. The train goes puff, the train goes whoosh, through the garden's leafy bush. What a scene, a rainbow train of red and green. Healthy, tasty, what a gain, all aboard the veggie train.